It is about 5:55 in the morning and I am in the Walmart parking lot waiting for it to open. I need to pick up a couple things. Got my coffee. Dutch Brothers. I don't know why. Let me turn the light on. So last night, jeez, I stayed in the Cracker Barrel parking lot and it was really good. The reviews on RV Parky, it had good reviews. So yeah, when I woke up this morning at the Cracker Barrel, there were about 3 people sleeping, and they do allow overnighters. The Walmart here parking lot, or the Walmart here, they don't allow overnighters. Anyway, I'm waiting for it to open up because I need to pick up a couple things that I forgot to pack. Potty break. Oh my gosh, I'm out in the middle of nowhere at a rest stop. I'm about 10 miles from the Opal Mine, and anyhow, just like oh my gosh, I have to beware of rattlesnakes. Okay, well, it's closed for the season. I did think about check-in, but they're all closed. Alright, so there are some campsites right up here. I'm gonna have to come back to the Royal Peacock Opal Mines. I guess it's gonna be a trip in May, I'm thinking. So there's people camping here. There's maybe like 4 people camping here. So this is where I'm camping. stuff I needed to make me a cup of coffee and make dinner a little later this evening. But I got it all set up in couch mode. So, yeah. Anyhow, got my tablet over there to watch some TV, and got that, and I got the back open, but it's a little breezy, so it's a little cold here. Yeah. So I think I might be shutting that. Well, these are the little things I just made before the trip. It's another shoe rack. And I just cut this piece off. The bathroom back there. The bedroom over there. This is the living room. And this is the kitchen. It's a full functioning kitchen with running water. This is my pride. I've got my spice rack up here with my favorite spices. Yeah. And then a little container to put little odds and ends in. My little fan. Down here in my kitchen is, this is where I keep my stove. My stove, my iron skillet, and cutting board. Oh, my teapot, I forgot. It's new. Anyway, so I'm gonna make me an espresso. Actually, I think I'm gonna eat. I have this and some guacamole I bought from the store. So yeah, I'm gonna go relax over in that chair in the sunshine. Hello YouTubers, I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make my favorite dish, which is basically olive oil, yellow onions, bell pepper, red pepper, and sweet potatoes. And then afterwards, for dessert tonight, I'm gonna have the homemade brownies I made. They're plant-based, made with black beans. says Sea of Lava. So there's a sea of lava over there. Let me get my sweater on. Oh, it's really windy out here. Hear that? Oh my gosh. I had no idea. Run up there. I'm gonna make it a quick jaunt or hike because it's just windy here. It's not that cold. There's a Walmart here, but sorry about the music. It just seems a little sketchy, maybe because I'm nervous, but I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and sleep somewhere. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna figure that out.